as UMA is to ensure that we uplift our local content. And we have partnered with the musicians, the entertainment industry, because we have got same aspirations, building the local content. So in this case, you might be wondering, then how are the musicians coming in? We have partnered with them to ensure that we work together to build the manufactured brands as well as the talent brands. So this is what is informing. Today we have got one of the representatives and the promoter of the young talent in Daskatel is here to represent all the musicians and speak. He wants to speak to the public in terms of our collaboration, how to encourage young ones, whether they are in school or not, to come and participate, so that they as they grow, they live the upcoming talent also to ensure that local content.
Our cultures and norms taken behind. But we take exhibitions as an opportunity, as platforms to create the awareness, to showcase who we are. We are Ugandans. We're supposed to show what makes us different from others. I guess each and every brand would like to be here. Each and every brand. Whether it's starting, whether it's already in the market, it is in the exhibition. I'm calling upon all art. We use these platforms. Because UMA has done it all. Bring us different people together, different cultures, different brands to us. We're supposed to use this platform to showcase what we are supposed to be. We're taking Mbarara not as a bank or a bank manager or a company CEO or a marketer will take it as art. It is crossing borders. We're taking that as crossing borders. This is the time we get as artists to interact with different acts, regional artists from different areas, from different regions. This is the time we get along. And even the brands to know what we can showcase as us. You look at the brands we have here, like Lato, Crestans, many. They can't know what artists can offer to them. Yet there is that wide gap between us and them. So this is the only opportunity we get as artists to come and showcase. As you know, music is a business, yes. But besides being a business,
it means 2000 to ensure accessibility for all, and we encourage all our people from Barara, Shema, Uganda, Tunga, Isirio, Kirugura, and surrounding areas to join us in celebrating this Uganda's industrial growth. The official opening of this event will be on Thursday, the 19th of December, and we will communicate the distribution list of water as soon as we confirm those details. My call to action is I invite all the people who step in Uganda to mark their calendars and join us at the Western Region Trade Fair this December. I want them to take advantage of the incredible discounts on products made right here in Uganda. I want them to meet the industrial leaders and discover the future of business in the region. For our tech survey, we have real-time updates on Facebook and our Twitter, ready to connect with potential clients, distributors and partners, making product launches memorable and impactful. Number 4, benchmarking and market insights. Our exhibitors will have a chance to showcase their offerings and gain valuable feedback from customers and industry peers, helping them to stay ahead of the curve. Number 5, opportunities to immediate sales. As we all know, the dynamic environment of the fair offers exhibitors a chance to secure spontaneous orders, and many a time we have left these trade fairs and our exhibitors talk about having closed some very massive, huge deals. So this is an opportunity for them to close such deals in the Western region. What are the new features that we are featuring at the WRTF? This year, we have entertainment and festive celebrations. In line with the festive season, we partnered with renowned artists like Ray G, Mbarara Finest, Dax Cartel, comedians and musicians to provide live entertainment throughout the event.